All right, today's lesson is on translations, and some of you probably used to call these slides. How can we describe a translation? Well, a translation moves a figure up or down. It even moves it right or left, like an elevator. Actually, translations also can move things at a diagonal, and that's the challenging part that we're going to learn about today. How would rearranging a poster on your wall be similar to a translation? Well, it's the same poster, but you just move it to a different place. Literally, that's all it is. When you translate a word in a different language, does the meaning of the word change? How many of you have heard of the word agua? Do you know what agua means, Emma? No? It means water. Does agua mean the same thing in our language as it does in that language? Yeah, yes, it sounds different, but it means the same thing. Water is water. Yeah, we just say it differently. Agua. Okay, the meaning stays the same. Now, if you slide an object in any direction, will it change the size of the object? If you slide an object in any direction, will it change the size of that object? No. Will it change the shape of the object? No. We can use a coordinate grid, that's what we're going to use today, to translate this elevator up 4 units. Okay? So my suggestion is always pick one of the corners in your shape. It doesn't matter which one. It doesn't matter at all. I'm going to pick this corner. Random. Totally random. So if we are going to move this particular piece says we're going to move this is 3, 4. So this is the one that I chose. We're going to move that to 3, 8. So now I'm going to start at 0. I'm going to go over 3 and up 8. So now when I make my new shape, that is going to be the top right-hand corner. So I know that my shape is 2 wide. I know that it's 3 long. Oops. So there it is. There's my shape. Okay? Still C. When the elevator gets translated up 4 units, each of your y coordinates increases by 4. Do your x coordinates change at all? Okay, this was 3, 4. My other one was 3, 8. 3, 4, 3, 8. Do your x's change or do your y's change? Your y's change. Remember, the second number, that's your y. The first number is your x. Whoops. How do you think the original coordinates would change if your figure were translated down 1 unit? If it went down, would your x coordinates change? Yes or no? No. Would your y coordinates change? Yeah. What's the only time your y coordinates are going to change? Okay. We're going to pause this. Let's take a look at this example. So we have a shape that started out purple and we moved it. We moved it up. Obviously, that's the direction we moved it. So if I was to ask you which direction did the rectangle move, you could say up, or you could even say north if you were to think of this as a compass, a compass rose. Okay? But now we have to think, how many units did it move? Darius, how many units did it move? You need to put a starting dot in one of the corners of your shape. It doesn't matter which one. I'm going to put mine right here. So I want to know how many units my shape moved, because this is the same corner, my upper left-hand corner. 1, 2. How many did it move up? Dathan? 5. It moved up 5. Pretty easy, right? Now, as we get into some more examples, we're going to move diagonal, which is a little bit trickier. Okay? So first of all, put a dot in one of your corners. It doesn't matter where. Okay? Same place. So I moved up how many? Up 3. Oh, sideways isn't going to cut it. Right 2. Up 3, right 2. Up 3, right 2. Now, I have a bonus question for you. What if I said to you, this dot right here, this one, what is the ordered pair for that point? What is the ordered pair? Aaron? 4, 6. Remember, we go over and up. Now today as we practice, we're about to practice on a 4-quadrant grid. So that means we might go to the right or to the left. We might go up or down. Okay? So now it's time for you guys to open up. I'd like you guys to open up your Schoology page. I need to have a second here to find mine. To that 4-quadrant grid. Should look like this. Yep, open it in Notability. All right. Now, it is going to be important that you choose a style of pen that has a fairly thin line. Yep, it needs to be fairly thin. And I would like you to copy the shape that I'm about to make. You can pick any color you'd like. Copy that shape. If you'd like to fill it in, that's perfectly fine. Okay, you have 10 seconds to get that finished. Here is my direction. I would like you to translate this shape. Translate this shape up 2 and left 2. So the first thing we're going to do is choose a starting point. It doesn't matter where your starting point is. If you want to keep it here, that's fine. So first we're going to go up 2 and then left 2. So there's my new starting point. I need to start my shape there. I know it is 3 tall, 2 wide. There's my new shape. Compare yours to mine. Try to choose 2 different colors when you do this. We're going to do some more examples. Then you can, what do you mean it seems so tiny? You can make it a little bit bigger with your fingers, Will. We're really only focusing on quadrant 1 right now for these first couple. So, okay. Now, my next question. I would like you to tell me what is the ordered pair for that spot right there. What is the ordered pair for that spot? Sarah? It is over 1, up 6. Good work. All right, let's try another one. erase and start a fresh screen. Okay, this shape please copy that shape exactly where it is on your grid. Then I'd like you to move it down 3 and right 1 with a different color. Choose a starting corner. It doesn't matter which corner it is. You can pick any corner you want. As I make my starting point, I know that my shape is 4 long, 2 high, 3 on the top. Please take a look at your new shape. Aaron, you're way off. You guys are making your screens way too large. You're going to have to figure out a way to... Aaron, where is your starting dot? Okay, so did you go down 3? Okay, here's where I think a few of you are having some trouble. If this is your starting dot in your original shape, that means it has to be in the exact same spot in your other shape. It can't be in a different spot now. So you have to have a starting point in one of the corners of your shape. If this was your starting, you'd go down 3 and over 1. Now this is where you would start it. Okay, next question. Who can give me the ordered pair for that one? A little trickier. Ooh, whoa, 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 whoa. Shouldn't have moved that. Sorry about that. Who can give me the ordered pair for that red dot? Cool. 3 and negative 3. We always start at 0, so we went over 3 and down 3, which would be negative 3. That's right. So we'd have 3 and negative 3. Good work. Are you ready for another shape? New shape. New shape is new shape. Again, Darius, you're making it too big. You're enlarging your shape too much so that when you move it, you're going to have some trouble there. Okay. Find a starting dot. It doesn't matter where it is. Doesn't matter where it is. And I would like you to go up 1, left 2. That's my starting spot.